Really?
Hey, tell him I'm back. Chip.
Let's try it out first.
I think it's 3 or 4 seats.
You already flew it.
It's a non-smoking flight.
Yeah, it's a 4-seater, so look, we'll carry
Then y'all gotta.
assume
So
the
we gotta
position.
carry people.
Yeah.
Alright.
Then you gotta carry somebody too.
Oh,
Alright.
oh,
One.
MK's here!
Ain't no
Who?
way.
Wait.
Ain't no way. Yeah, okay.
Wait.
You gotta press F.
Wait. Everybody get out. Everybody get out.
Oh, hell.
Everybody get out. Get out. Tip, you gonna have to carry me. I can't.
This is like a family reunion. I'm gonna cry.
Ain't no way. We all about to go down.
Ooh, I know what.
We going to the upper room.
Who took off running, Q? Somebody might
I
have
can't
to...
jump out with Fly in my... Oh, no, not me in the front. Oh, yeah, Dev's in the...
Where's Fly?
Fly is being carried by...
Fly's on my shoulders.
Yeah.
Where Q at?
So wait. Joey.
Yeah.
One of you... Do you have handcuffs?
No, I don't.
Anybody have handcuffs?
So
yeah, but we don't... Look, I'm always lacking like a mother.
How you got handcuffs on?
Wait, hold on. I got handcuffs, but... Hold on. Joey, I'm gonna give you these.
Okay.
You gonna have double duty. Come here, Q.
Uh-oh.
Q. Stand there. This is ridiculous.
No way. Y'all trust me flying like this? That's crazy.
No, we don't. I'm just being honest
Joey, man.
right now, Tim. I do not. I do not want to fucking die,
What happened to the
okay?
band bun?
Alright,
Hey, man, you know what I mean? I gotta let the hair down once in a while. What you got?
Hold on. First,
Wait, Nina?
Chip, go ahead and pick me up and take me inside. Joey, you gonna have to pick up Nina and then escort.
Okay, all right.
Too much work.
It. Right.
Wait, if we wait for MK's got a plane too.
MK, yeah, but they ain't gonna be enough room for him to land a plane in the street.
Oh, okay.
She ain't no room for me to land the plane.
Nah,
We finna die.
Does he know how to escort?
Yeah, it won't let me escort him. Escort.
Oh hell, wait.
Oh, Nina got to do it.
Nina has to escort him.
Nah, I'll just carry him like this.
There you go.
Right, you got
Nah, you got him.
You got him?
No, it won't let me do it.
You got to put Nina down first.
Okay, hold on.
All right, so Nina escort him, and then
Enjoy Pete Nina.
Okay.
Really, son? That's why we gonna die.
Tell me you are an ethnic family without telling me
You
are
ain't got no
a
parachute.
family.
bro.
Ain't no way.
10 people in a 4-seater.
it's crazy that this damn plane is a 4-seater though.
We go get a ticket. Y'all
All
going
right,
to
there
jail.
y'all go.
Press F.
Ain't no way Q finna be outside the plane like that.
I'm dead.
Oh,
Ain't no way Q. Oh,
Q. No, not
and the wind finna get you, Q.
Oh, Q.
Y'all ready?
We not ready.
seen a plane with a sunroof before.
Yeah, I ain't never seen a plane with sunroof. Damn, Q.
We about to die. Ain't no way.
Damn, Nina, we about to die?
I'm gonna parachute.
All right.
What is MK doing?
My bad.
Fly, I'm about to
My
parachute
bad.
with you in
My
my
bad.
shoulders.
Final destination 64. in
Okay.
action
What
right
you say?
now,
What you
today.
say?
Who is this?
Final
you say, Josh?
destination 64. In progress right now.
I think we should leave. Oh my god.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be mad if we get a headache with.
Okay.
Yo.
Hey, go to Jimmy apartment. 7254.
All right.
Hey, shoot out the pairs over there.
7224.
Oh, 224.
7224 is where we're going.
What we doing?
7224 is the building that we're going to, but you're gonna land in the street between there and Jimmy's place.
Oh yeah. Hey, go to between 7224.
Yeah, my helicopter over there.
Yeah, put shoot them pairs out the way. Shoot them cars out the street.
Where are you pulling up at? Between them two places?
Yeah.
Okay.
On Movie Star Way. Whatever it is.
Okay. I got you.
Alright, that's Marathon Avenue. Oh, you gonna pull up down that? Oh, okay.
Yeah, the big street.
Okay.
He was saying that some people could go with MK before he left.
You.
Wait, we were saying that you could have went with MK.
Oh, bro.
You could have went with MK.
Ain't no way, Q.
We not gonna die. Just relax.
This is some struggle bus shit.
I might
I
die.
Oh, Jesus.
Jumping out this motherfucker. I don't know.
Damn, Q, you look funny as shit up there.
No, he look relaxed as hell. Like he just calm as shit.
Oh shit, I can't see.
Oh, damn.
I'm stressing.
Where the fuck he at? He can see that shit from bird's eye view.
I'm not stressing right now.
Oh man, I can't see y'all.
Ain't no fucking way, Tip. You better stop fucking playing.
You better
Trying to kill us.
Ain't got no joints.
Yeah, we go. Man. Whoa, cuz. Hey.
Hey man, hey, stop that bullshit.
Hey man, say man, it ain't that blurry, man. Come on now.
Bullshit.
Bullshit.
I can't see.
Yeah.
I just wanted a microwave. Oh hell.
I wanted a microwave too.
Oh yeah, that's why we started looking for the microwave.
That's all I wanted. Just wanted a microwave.
I thought you said you practiced, gang. You wasn't blurred in.
You look like he did that, man.
Had in my life.
This should turn into a roller coaster. Hell nah.
You like I'm just hanging out.
He over here telling tell his mama he love her. Ain't no way.
I wonder if
praying the whole entire time right now. He's not moving the whole time.
You have not turned the engine off, sir.
He definitely
You
did.
have not turned the engine off.
Whoa.
Oh, dude, we get
Like, yeah, you on some bullshit.
shit. Oh no! She jumped out for. Why Jazzy jump? Why Jazzy jump? Why she jump?
Because she thought you go crazy.
You're supposed to have enough room for the for the parachute to work.
Hey, what she jump for?
Let me get the fuck out of here. Hold on.
Y'all goofy as hell. She jumped out the plane. Y'all.
No way.
Hey, I'm stuck in the plane.
You gonna have to come get me.
Ain't no way.
Yeah. I'm stuck. Oh, there we go.
Alright. Thank you. See,
we good.
Oh, here, let me uncouple.
Yeah, because I think
She is silly as hell. Why she jump out the plane?
I have no idea.
And even